Hi, I'm Tony Robinson, a heating consultant at Placemakers Westgate. I'm going to let you know what will happen when you purchase and install a heat pump with us in under 60 seconds. So a customer will either make an inquiry on our website or they will visit one of the showrooms and speak to a consultant. We'll basically discuss their ideas, whether they've got a specific brand in mind or been looking at a specific model. If not, we'll basically look at the display models, we'll go through the catalogues and look at the different brands we offer. So ideally we have a set of floor plans or dimensions of the room the heat pump is going to be installed, photos of the location the heat pump is going to be installed, particularly the indoor and outdoor unit, so we can determine whether it's going to be a back-to-back install or require further ducting, which may need an installer to come out and do a final site inspection. The information is important because it ensures quote accuracy, saves time, which means we can get a quote back to you faster, and it also means that we can go through suitable kilowatt models for your space and find an option that meets your budget.